Alright. Just before this video starts, I just want to warn you guys that this video is going to get very pinkish because of this. This is a pink microphone. A literal pink microphone. Why are we reviewing a pink mic? But now that you know why it is a pinkish video, yeah. Let's get this started. Alright, so the Razer Seiren Mini is the microphone that we'll be unboxing for this video. It's a very pink microphone. Honestly, the only color selection isn't pink. There's white and it's black. Alright, but hear me out. I got this as my Christmas present, and my mom just decided to make it pink, and so here I am unboxing a pink microphone. But what's interesting though is that this is going to be my new microphone, and this is going to be an amazing and a very pink setup update of mine. So let's get it started. Let's unbox this thing, shall we? So first, there you go, that's the front of the box. Side says Razer. Back it has all the specs on there. Ultra precise, super cardioid pickup pattern. So we'll get into that later. The USB microphone as well, so I don't need to use my old phantom power and all those XLR cables. So yeah, it's going to be a very nice update. But yes, let's start this unboxing. So first, very nice box indeed. I'll just open it like this. And when you open it, it says it's time to get sane and be heard. And yeah, very nice signature from the co-founder of the creator, director and CEO of the company. Yeah, very nice piece there. Leave it on the side. Then you have the owner's manual. There you go. It's a mini. Oh my gosh, the sticker. It's a pink Razer sticker, which I will totally use. Wow, man, this sticker is very high quality. I can feel it. Oh my gosh, I haven't given us a sticker, man. Unbelievable. Alright, the owner manual, of course, how do you use the microphone and all the stuff in like millions of languages. And here is the packaging. Not very surprising. I thought it's gonna look way better than this, but this looks so bad. This actually looks so bad, but considering its price, I think I shouldn't be that surprised as well. So first, let's get off with the USB cables with a nice thing up there to protect the thing, I guess. I don't know what you call it, port, yeah. Then you have this. I don't know what this is, but I'm guessing it's useful. So I'll put it there. Next, we have the, what is this, man? What is this packaging though? It is so pink! It's so pink a little! Look at that! It's so pink! I can't believe it! Look at how pink this is! This is the pinkest thing I've ever seen in my life. And I don't have a single pink thing in my room ever before, and now I have a pink microphone. And it's so little too! This is my hand. That is the microphone. It's so little, it's so light, it feels like I'm holding an egg. Even the egg's like heavier than this. Oh my gosh, that's so little. So cute, man. And at the end, we have this thing. Oh, it's got some weight on it too. I think it's a microphone stand, which is very little as well, but it has some weight, and I think it can handle the microphone itself, so that's the unboxing! It's so pink! It's so pink. Oh my gosh. Right, if I guess it right, how does this go onto the stand? So I'm thinking this goes down there. Oh, it does fit nicely though. It fits nicely. Oh, look at that. Nice little stand I can put on the thing. And how is this going to fit on there? What?
A few moments later.
Like you rotate it too. Feels like some joystick that pilots use for the. I don't know. I don't know anything about it, but. Shit! What is this, mate? All right. So it goes like this, right there. And I think let's stick it. How do I stick it? I cannot stick it. I'm gonna break it. Oh, that doesn't feel satisfying at all. Why do I have to push it in so hard? That does not feel satisfying at all. I have to push it in so far. But it has a nicer design on it. Like it just goes circle-ish down there, but yeah, it doesn't fit that well there. And then you just put the stick on, and then boom. Boom. Very interesting. Let me just bring my laptop here. Okay, so I'm done plugging in my Razer Seiren Mini, and I'm going to do a mic test now to compare what's the difference between my new microphone, the Razer, on my old microphone, which is the Samsung CO1 XLR behind there. This is a USB mic, and that is an XLR microphone, so it's very different microphones then. But yeah, let's have a mic test, shall we? Okay. Why was 6 afraid of 9 on New Year's Eve? Because 9, 8, 7. And right now, I'm using my own microphone just to give you guys some very nice comparison. Of course, both of these tests are just raw sounds. I didn't edit any of those. I didn't do EQ. I didn't do any extra programming and stuff. So it's just going to be the pure sounds that the microphone are going to be producing. And so yes, here's the mic test from here. Why was 6 afraid of 9 on New Year's Eve? Because 9, 8, 7. Why was 6 afraid of 9 on New Year's Eve? Because 9, 8, 7. Alright, so after hearing the two sound tests, honestly, for me, I am absolutely stunned by how good this microphone is. I find the CO1, my old microphone, to have a lot of background noise, and this is just destroyed it in terms of the noise cancelling. And I am so amazed. This thing is like 2 times cheaper than my new microphone, so that's an absolute scammed. I just got scammed. Just kidding, but really, I am impressed on how far or how good this microphone is. Oh my gosh, I am so stunned. This is so good. I really recommend you guys buying this microphone. It's cheap, it's good. It might be pink, but there are 2 other color options, and that's fine. And so, oh my gosh, this is just amazing. This mic is amazing. I am so stunned. No way. Oh yeah, I'm just gonna say goodbye to my old microphone's retirement, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I did testing it. And yeah, happy new year, and I'll see you on the next one. Goodbye.